First, Jenny got it. Then stupid Vicky got it. And I tried everything to get my period. Nothing. So, I faked it. Looks like Florida.
Yeah, I got it. It's so red.
Terry Slush Club.
Blood sisters.
They bought it.
What's this?
What do you think it is? I'm on my ladies' days.
What do I think it is? Ruby Licious nail polish. But she doesn't need to know that.